In this video, we're going to show you how Synchronized Portal could be used in a CPA business. The majority of this video is going to focus on the customer view. All of the data you see here on this dashboard is dynamically generated from other portions of the portal. This includes the task list on the left, the invoices here in the center, and on the far right you see an announcement that is pulling from another part of the portal. Let's dive into the customer view. After we have invited our customer into the portal, they are presented with step 1, updating their basic tax information. All of the fields you see on the screen can be customized to what you want to put on there. Notice that this spouse or partner portion is a dynamic, so if we say yes, it drops down and asks for information on that. Dependents drops down and says yes. There is only one dependent in this video, but it can be expanded to 4, 5, 6, 7, however many you want for your firm on this form. As you can see here, I filled in some fake information for this person, and we're going to come down and say submit. Once they've hit submit, they're taken to the current year questionnaire. Again, these are all fields that you can decide what you want to put in. We have some demonstration type questions here, and we'll go ahead and fill in some fake data and move to the next section. And now that we've gone in and put in some fake information, we're going to hit submit and move to the next section of the portal. You see that we have a submission received, and it will automatically forward us here in a second back to the form, and now we're ready to sign the tax agreement. Now this tax agreement is already uploaded into the portal. It's already been generated. You can see by the system automatically in real time. There were no pauses on this video when this portion was created. So we're going to click on the document. We're going to come down here. We see everything that needs to be signed, printed. This is all, again, just a demonstration thing that you can put in. We're going to come in here. We're going to sign it as Sherry. We're going to say next and confirm the signature. And once your customer has signed it, they're taken back to here, and they'll go ahead and click dashboard and move to the next portion of the process. After they sign the tax agreement, they're moved to step 4, upload tax forms and documents. The text you see here can be specified by you as to what you want to put for your customers to see. They'll click this button here to upload their tax documents, and then when they're done, they'll click Documents are uploaded. Let's go through and see what happens when they click on the Upload Your Tax Forms and Documents. As you can see, it comes into here and we have a place to upload files. Just like any other application, they would click the upload files and they would then load them into the portal. They would be uploaded. After they're done, they would click on the dashboard link over here on the left, and then click Documents are uploaded. Now you can see the system tells them that we are currently working on your tax return and will notify you when it is complete. This is where you would then obviously work on the return, gather any more data that needs to be gathered, and then you will move them forward to the next step for e-signature. Once you move them to the next step, they will be prompted to click here to sign their 8879. They're taken to a page that contains all of the documents that they have signed for you previously. Now you do not see an 8879 here because I do not have a fake one to put in, but you can also see the previous document that they've signed. After they sign the e-signature, they're then moved forward to the invoice payment. Again, they're prompted to click here. The system takes them to the invoice payment, and this shows them invoices that are generated just for that customer, just for them. They will not see all of your other invoices in the system. In fact, if you remember back to the start of the video when you saw another invoice on here, you don't see it for this particular customer. They will pay the invoice from here and then move to the next step. After they have paid the invoices, they're moved to the final step to retrieve their completed tax return. Again, they're going to click on the Click Here button link, and we can change that to however you want it to look for you and your client base. Once it is loaded, they will see this shared with me folder and their previous folder of tax documents they have uploaded. This was just a demo of things you can do with Synchronized Portal. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, don@synchronizedportal.com.